Okay, so it's going to be a bit of a useless video because I've already fixed it, but it's the best I can do. This is the most awkward one I've ever come across. Basically, you pop all the outside off till you got enough access, and then you've got your latch here. So there's an upper and a bottom latch, and basically there's a spring inside the latch. You have to lift it up and pull it to the left hand side, and it will drop out. But it ain't doing it now, the spring's in, and I don't really want to break it because I fixed it. So that's what basically what you got to do. You got to lift your catch up, pull it to the side, it fall out, and then you got to somehow manage to get the spring in. It took me a little while to do it, but it can be done. So that's it. It's just a spring held catch, a piece of plastic that goes up and down. And then when you put it back together, you want to clip all your side back in. So that's it.